You have a little extra money. What do you do with it? Do you buy stocks? Pay off your student loan? Save it? Most people just guess. They treat their finances like a casino. But what if there was a proven, step-by-step plan? A simple order of operations that tells you exactly what to do with your next dollar. This isn't a theory. It's the Financial Order of Operations, or FOO, a framework used by top financial planners to build sustainable, long-term wealth. In this video, we're going to walk through all 9 steps, grouped into 3 simple phases, from building your foundation to starting your growth engine, all the way to hyper-accumulating wealth. This is the only guide you will need. Phase 1 is all about building a solid financial foundation. You cannot build a skyscraper on wet sand. Do not skip these steps. Step 1. Cover your highest insurance deductible. Before you invest a single dollar, you must have a small cash buffer. Why? Because life will happen. Your car will break down. You'll have a medical emergency. If you don't have cash to pay for it, you'll be forced to go into debt. Or worse, you'll be forced to sell your investments at the wrong time. So, your first goal is simple. Save up enough cash to cover your highest single insurance deductible. For most people, this is around $1,000 to $2,000. Put it in a savings account and don't touch it. Step 2, claim your employer match. If your job offers a 401 or similar retirement plan, they often match your contributions. This is, quite literally, free money, a 100% risk-free return on your investment. You cannot beat this anywhere. Find out what your employer's match is, maybe it's 3% or 5%, and contribute at least that much to get the full free match. Doing this is not optional. Step 3, eliminate high-interest debt. I'm talking about toxic debt, credit card debt, payday loans, personal loans. You cannot build wealth if you are paying 25% interest to a credit card company. It's like trying to climb a mountain while tied to a boulder. Any debt with an interest rate over, say, 6 or 7% is high interest. Pay it off aggressively. Step 4, fully fund your emergency reserves. This is different from step 1. This is your full emergency fund. This is the safety net that protects your entire financial life. You need 3 to 6 months' worth of your basic living expenses saved in cash. If you have a very stable job, 3 months is fine. If you are self-employed or have a single income, aim for 6 months. This money should sit in a high-yield savings account. It's not for investing. It's for sleeping well at night. It's the buffer that ensures a job loss does not become a financial catastrophe. Stop. If you complete phase 1, you are more financially secure than 80% of the population. You have a safety net. You have no toxic debt. But this is where most people stop. And if you stop here, you will never build real wealth. Phase 2 is where we light the fuse. This is the growth engine. Phase 2 is where we finally start investing in the right way. We use powerful, tax-advantaged accounts. Step 5, max out Roth IRA and HSA accounts. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where you put in money after you paid taxes on it. The magic is that money and all of its growth is completely 100% tax-free forever. An HSA or health savings account is even better. It's a triple tax advantaged account. The money goes in tax-free, it grows tax-free, and it comes out tax-free as long as you use it for medical expenses. Max out these accounts every single year. Step 6, max out employer retirement plans. Remember that 401 from step 2? Now, we go back to it. After you've maxed your Roth IRA and HSA, your next dollar goes back into your 401 or 403 until you hit the legal maximum contribution for the year. This is a difficult step. It takes discipline. The goal here, when you combine Step 5 and Step 6, is to be investing 20 to 25% of your gross income. If you can hit this 25% mark, you are on the fast track to financial independence. Okay, let's pause. You've built your foundation. You've built your growth engine. You are now investing 25% of your income into tax-advantaged accounts. You have won the game. But for those who want to reach the next level, there is Phase 3. This is the wealth multiplier phase. This is what you do when all of your tax-advantaged accounts are already full. Step 7. Hyperaccumulation. Such a cool name. This just means you are still investing that 25% or more, but you've run out of retirement accounts. Your next dollar goes into a normal, taxable brokerage account. Here, you can invest in low-cost index funds, ETFs, or individual stocks. This is the money you'll use before retirement. Step 8. Prepay future expenses. This is about planning for large, known expenses. Do you want to buy a house in 3 years? Start a down payment fund. Do you need a new car in 2 years? Start saving for it now so you can pay in cash. This step is about strategically saving for your big life goals, so they don't derail your wealth building. Step 9. Prepay low-interest debt. This is the final boss. This is your good debt, like your mortgage or a low-interest student loan. Mathematically, you might be better off investing your extra money instead of paying off a 3% mortgage. But this step isn't just about math, it's about psychology. There is an incredible, unbelievable freedom that comes from owning your home free and clear, from having zero debt to your name. This is the final step, true financial independence. And that is the plan. Stop guessing. Stop treating your money with chaos. Building wealth is not a secret. It is a system. Follow these 9 steps in this exact order, and you will build a financial future you can be proud of. This 9-step plan is the data. Now, I need your data. Comment below with the number of the step you are currently working on. Are you on Step 1, building your buffer? Or Step 7, in hyperaccumulation? I will read every comment. And if you want a free 1-page checklist of all 9 steps, the link is in the description.